Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are comparing three of the biggest names in investing: Robinhood, Vanguard and Fidelity. To find out which one is the best brokerage platform in 2025, whether you are just starting out or building a long-term portfolio, this video will help you decide which platform fits your goal. Let's get started. So Robinhood is known for its users-friendly app, commissions-free trading, and focus on younger investors and crypto. And the Vanguard is a go-to for long-term investing with its low-cost index funds and a strong reputation for retirement accounts. And the Fidelity offers a mix of powerful research tools, zero-cost funds, and great customer services. A true all-rounder. Each has different strengths, so let's break it down. So easy of use and interface. Robinhood leads in simplicity. Its mobile first design makes trading and stocks, options and crypto feel like breeze. And the Fidelity has a modern web and mobile platform plus Active Trade Pro for advanced user, though it's a bit more complex. And Vanguard, well trusted, has the last initiative interface. It's clunky and outdated but functional. So Robinhood for beginners and runner-up of Fidelity for a balanced experience. So fees and commission for Robinhood, Fidelity and Vanguard, all of 0% commissions on US stocks and ETFs. And Fidelity stands out with its zero expense ratio index funds and no account minimums. And the Vanguard offers industry leading low cost ETFs and mutual funds, but there may be minimum investment amounts for some funds. And the Robinhood charges for its premium gold plan and has a spread on crypto traders. So lowest overall cost for both beginners and long term investors, and ETF lovers and buy and hold investors. So investment options, Robinhood offers stocks, ETFs, options, and crypto, but no mutual funds on bonds. And Fidelity gives access to stocks, ETFs, mutual funds, options, bonds, robo advisor, and even fractional shares. Vanguard is ideal for mutual funds, ETFs, and retirement accounts, but limited for day trading or advanced features. So, Fidelity based range for investment choice, and Vanguard for long term passive investment. Retirement and long term investment. Vanguard is the king of retirement investing, and it offers IRAS 401k over rollovers and the most popular index funds. And Fidelity has matches with excellent retirement tools, planning resources, and target date funds. And the Robinhood now offers IRAS and with a match, but it's still very limited in retirement focused tools and advice. So Vanguard with Fidelity a close second. So which one is best in 2025? Choose Robinhood. If you are a beginner, want a simple app or trade crypto and options casually, and go with Fidelity if you want a well-rounded low-cost broker with great tools for both new and experienced investors. And pick Vanguard if you are focused on long-term wealthy builders through ETFs and retirement accounts. Overall, best Fidelity offers the most balanced package, low fees, great tools, and long-term value. So thanks for watching and enjoying this video. Don't forget to subscribe the channels.